friends, I have a new unboxing review. A ring from Rich coming in this travel case. Looks like a small toolbox for me. That's nice. The ring protected. Okay, let's open the box. They come in covered with this little cover towel. The ring. This ring is a strong material, very unique. Feels very comfortable. Look at the shape. It will not pinch your finger. If you are going to the gym, use the silicone ring that's coming in the set of 2. They offer 99 days money back if you're not 100% satisfied or in exchange. If you lose or gain weight and your ring don't fit or you lost your ring, they are offered 2 times free replacement. I think that's a good guarantee to have, friends. I like these colors and the design. They have different ring colors and types. Made from true folder Damascus steel. Friends, make sure to click in the tag product and use code U210 at checkout and get 10% off your order. Thank you, friends, for the support. Enrique76, thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in another video.